I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the Greek ass.
So this clip right here is, you know, just us. We headed to, like I said, we headed to Best Buy to pick it up. The Rode Video Micro. It's the cheapest microphone that Rode makes. Rode is known for the exceptional quality in microphones. This joint right here, like, it works, but it don't work. As you can see in this clip right here, that you can still kind of hear, you know, the other microphones and all that shit. So let's switch it over. Alright, so we got it all crossed over, man. This microphone, like, the audio is just like so much better. Like, it can't be denied. It can't be denied. So what the GoPro thing gonna do, or what this other microphone's gonna do, is gonna allow us to mount the little microphone onto the top of the GoPro, and then I ain't gotta worry about, you know, the extra. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I don't mind being mic'd up like this. I could probably save $60 if I was mic'd up like this, but I don't always want to have a cord attached to me. Like, maybe I just want to, like, have it moving around. And I mean, I can move it around with a string, but what can I say? I like spending money. I like making quality videos. I like making things better, making them more accessible, things of that nature. So I'd rather just have the microphone with the GoPro. Like, say that we doing a video and I gotta pass the camera off. Now I gotta unbutton and all of that. Like, I mean, it really ain't that big of a deal, but say, I'm here for y'all, man. Let's go get this GoPro. What's up, y'all? So we out here live at Best Buy. We out here live at Best Buy. Just picked up Video Micro. I'm gonna try to get this installed, and then, you know, see what the difference is in the audio quality and all that. Hang tight. So you open up the package, okay, boom. So you open up the package, you have a spinny thingy, majigger bobber, that's gonna hold the microphone to the top of the camera or the top of your GoPro. The case that I'm gonna order today is gonna have exactly that, so that I can, boom, mount that thing right on there. In addition to that, you have the actual microphone. It got the dead cat on it. Just kind of give you an idea how small or how big it is. This is actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I thought it was, by the picture, I thought it was really smaller than that. So, you know, I ain't flicking y'all off. I'm just trying to give y'all an idea how long it is. Maybe that finger better. I apologize. So, you got that. Then you got your dead cat. So that'll, you know, help with all your wind resistant stuff. Then you have a actual And this actually can probably double for me anyway, for the photography and videography that I do. So, you know, this sits up on top of the GoPro, and then, you know, it does it like this. So put this here, then you're gonna open that up so that goes around there. It's gonna hold the microphone like that. And go like that. And there we go, people. You had your dead cat and your microphone, video, Rode Micro Pro, and this will go right up here on top of the camera like boop. Dope. For whatever reason, I'm running into some issues with this microphone. I guess it's just a connection. I'm not really sure. I'm just trying to make sure y'all get this good quality audio, people. That's all I really care about. So, testing again.